My name is Edward Burns. I'm a current student at UCSD going into my 4th year, and I'm on this year's embedded team as an intern.
My name is Hojin Shin, and I am the Autonomy R&D intern at Brain Corp this summer. And I graduated in mechanical engineering with my master's in June 2023.
My name is Aditya. I am a sophomore at UCSD going into my junior year. I'm a mechanical engineering major, and I interned at Brain under the hardware engineering department.
My name is Yifei. I work with the QA team at Brain Corporation. I recently graduated from UC San Diego with a master's degree in computer science.
So my name is Jacob Root. I'm a cloud software engineer intern at Brain Corp, and I'm also a sophomore at UCSD where I'm studying computer science.
I'm Kara. I work as a software engineering intern at Brain Corp, and I'm a computer engineering major at UCSD, graduating in 2024.
Hi, my name is Sam. I graduated from UCSD this June with degree in Master of Science in Computer Science, and I joined Brain Corp in July 5th. So I came here for 2 months in the summer as an intern in Tech Ops team.
I am Sambaran Ghoshal. I am a master's student from UCSD. I graduated in April 2023, and I am interning in Brain Corp from May 23rd.
Hi, my name is Blake Lieber, and I am an intern on the shelf scanning team for the Gen 2 and the Gen 3 robots.
At Brain Corp, I am working in shelf scanning projects, and my main area is improving the VSLAM pipeline.
This summer, what I worked on was the reserve steel camera.
So my summer internship project was to set up some testing infrastructure.
One project basically is to write test cases for RODX API endpoints. And the second project I was working on is called TRIP.
This year, I got to work on Gen 2 camera recovery and some sensor metadata stuff with the factory team.
I've worked on 2 projects. The first project is a real-time communication layer with the robot, and it can do various things from the cloud that were previously only possible from the robot. The second project that I've worked on is more computer vision-y. It's implementing a reusable face scoring library.
I worked in designing a Gen 3 emulator.
The project I'm in charge of is working with robot path generation, so autonomously generating routes for the robot to traverse for various different purposes.
Learned a lot about how team cohesion and company culture is a really, really important part about being an employee somewhere. So
Collaboration was also an important skill that I gained in addition to the technical skills.
Project ownership, that means not only you need to write good code, right, but also making sure your code are transferable to other engineers.
But here I actually got to learn how to break it down myself into smaller, manageable pieces that I could actually present and show accomplishments throughout the summer.
I learned a lot. Like, first of all, I think how to become professional as a software engineer in this internship.
Collaborating with others, as well as being able to actually read people's code and integrate your own changes into that. It's just a different skill set than something you learn at school.
One of the key things that I think I learned is the idea that you're not the only one that's working on a project.
The less important lesson that complexity is not always the right answer.
And I have learned a lot from all of the engineers here. They are really helpful.
my favorite thing about Brain Corp is the company culture. Everyone's very laid back. It's really easy to just talk to anyone about any problem.
As well as the culture, it's a very open culture. You can go talk to anybody and answer any questions. And I think that is important in nurturing young talent.
One of my favorite things about working at Brain is actually the people. I really enjoyed everyone, getting to talk with them at work, and it made me really excited to come into work every day to not only do the task I was assigned, but also just to interact with everyone, having great conversations at lunch or even outside at work bonding events.
One thing I like most is the environment working here. Everybody is so friendly, and I can learn a lot from just talking with them and to know my career goals and what help I can get from them.
One of my favorite things about Brain Corp is the fact that they actually give interns the opportunity to work on things that are going to be put in the field.
For me, the most interesting part was actually being able to see the different sites or the different areas, grocery stores that we kind of have our robots deployed at, and being able to run my algorithms directly at those real life locations and kind of seeing what might come out if in a real situation like that.
So people are really approachable. You can come to their desks, ask any sort of question you want to ask. So that's one thing I really like about Brain Corporation.
It's an amazing opportunity to work at Brain Corp.
Free lunch.
Free lunch. Yeah, and I like, all the options, salad, everything. Yeah.
Obviously, the free lunch and free coffee is it's amazing.
The free lunch, and along with that, the effectively unlimited snacks and drinks.